The Department of Justice, the Executive Office for Immigration Review, is charged with overseeing the immigration courts and the Board of Immigration Appeals, which is the highest administrative authority for interpreting the immigration laws. As the delegates of the Attorney General, immigration judges serve an important function in the administration of our immigration system. They award asylum to those fleeing persecution. They grant deserving aliens the privilege of permanently residing in the United States. And they also order remove those aliens who have violated our laws and abused the generosity of this nation. Whether our law requires immigrants to return to their native land or whether it affords them an opportunity to stay in this country will depend upon the ability of the immigration judges to faithfully apply the law that Congress enacted to their cases and to exercise their impartial judgment unhindered by political agenda. Because of the relative obscurity of immigration courts, their labors largely go unnoticed and you could argue unappreciated by the American public. But their decisions affect real people, the immigrants and their family members alike, and their effect on the immigration system is critical. Everyone, those who stand before the administration judges, this administration, and our fellow citizens, has a vital interest in ensuring justice in our immigration courts is dispensed fairly, efficiently, and expeditiously. That is one reason I am troubled that there are approximately 460,000 cases waiting for an immigration judge to make a decision. In addition, I remain troubled by allegations of abuse, fraud in the asylum program. Abuse and fraud, frankly, hurt everyone, those legitimately entitled to relief and those who depend upon a fair justice system. The average alien will wait nearly 3 years before the judge renders a decision, and those are the fortunate ones. According to the 2012 DOJ Inspector General report, over 21,000 cases were pending 5 years or more, and over 6,200 cases were pending for 10 years or more. The real effect of these delays is to penalize those awaiting relief based on a valid claim to immigration benefits and reward those who have no right to remain in the United States with many years of continued unlawful presence. Testimony before the Senate earlier this year indicated the backlog had increased 100% over the last 5 years, and the answer to the problem was alleged to be more immigration judges. But the DOJ Inspector General found from fiscal year 2006 to 2010, while the number of immigration judges increased, case completions actually decreased. So the Office of Inspector General found inefficiencies persisted despite the addition of more immigration judges. The Inspector General also noted incomplete or exaggerated performance reports and noted the absence of the data or an objective staffing model to guide its resource planning and deployment of immigration judges, which begs the question as to whether or not additional immigration judges alone will solve the problem or if something else is required. Additionally, a report by the Government Accountability Office released yesterday found derelictions in implementing the necessary policies and procedures to address asylum fraud. Lack of focus on rooting out fraud in the asylum program, coupled with a backlog that allows people to stay in the country unlawfully through the long backlog of cases until their court date, is a gap in our national security. The bottom line is an inefficient and flawed adjudication process further diminishes our capacity as a nation to effectively deal with our broken immigration system. And for that reason and others, I'll look forward to today's questions and answers. Again,